Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Professor Javed Iqbal. Today in this video we are going to learn the key skills required for a technical writer. These skills are very much important because a well-written and accurate documentation plays a major role in any company's customer support strategy because it helps to reduce support costs. Technical writing plays a big part in the support equation. So, a technical writer should have some basic skills like technical skills, critical thinking, facility with technology, ability to write clearly, design skills, talent in showing ideas graphically, testing skills, ability to interact with subject matter experts, and patience in problem solving or troubleshooting, and teamwork. Let us have a look on all these skills one by one. First of all, we are going to talk about the critical thinking. Critical thinking. What is the critical thinking? It is the ability to make reasoned and clear judgments. This concept includes gathering information, analyzing and systematizing it so that the reader or the audience or the intended people should understand the things easily. So a technical writer should have critical thinking in him. So a technical writer should also have some technical skills like he should be seasoned and experienced in relevant field. He should have an understanding with technical things. He should have good command on usage of technical tools like Adobe FrameMaker, Microsoft Office, Madcap, Flare, RoboHelp, and other relevant softwares for a good and clear completion of a technical document. In fact, technical skills are the abilities and knowledge needed to perform specific tasks. They are practical and often relate to mechanical, information technology, mathematical, or scientific tasks. Some examples include knowledge of performing or programming languages, mechanical equipment or tools like that. So a technical writer should have a good command on the relevant software for writing the technical document in a clear, lucid and good way. Number 3 is the facility with technology. This term can be understand with an example, like if a technical writer is going to write a user manual for a mobile phone. First of all, he should have a good command on all the functions of the software of mobile phone so that he may write them in a good, lucid, clear way, so that the readers when read them and apply them for running of the mobile phone, so that they may easily comprehend it and use it. So next is clarity, ability to write clearly. That is very much important for a technical writer, because if a technical writer is not able to write clearly, there is some kind of ambiguity in his writing that the users or the audience will confuse and they will not take that product, and in this way it will be a loss for the company. So a technical writer should have a good talent in showing ideas graphically so that the readers may understand easily. Next is testing and proofreading skills that are very much important, because a technical document should be authentic and clear, and it should be proofread, and there should be no any kind of mistake in a technical piece of writing. So testing skills are very much important. Next, a technical writer should have the ability to interact with subject matter experts. Who are subject matter experts? The people who have designed the thing, for example, the engineers who have made an automobile car, a technical writer should have a good interaction with them, so that with the collaboration and help of those people, he may write the user manual clearly, lucidly, and in a simple and clear way for the readers. A technical writer should have a patience in problem solving and troubleshooting, because sometimes there occur some hurdles in softwares or in writing the user manual. So a technical writer should have a patience, so that he may troubleshoot the problems and issues in patient way, so that he may write the user guide in a good way. A technical writer is not a single person, he is a member of a technical team, so he should have a good communication with his other team members, and he should write the things with the collaboration, help, and understanding of the other team members. A technical documentation team is part of a bigger mechanism. They must be able to communicate well with other departments, so that the technical documentation should be completed in a wholesome way, so that the readers may not confuse. In the end, the main purpose of having all these skills, the technical writers, when approaching a new technical writing project, the project is to be ensured that they maintain focus on what they are writing about. The information they are producing has to be organized and structured within the laid down style that is appropriate for the intended audience. By sticking to the basic principles of technical writing, the technical writer is ensuring that the documentation is clearly understood by the reader. And in the end, the skill sets of the technical writers vary widely depending on experience and educational background of a technical writer and the organization for which he is writing the technical documentation. So the skills vary from department to department, from company to company, from organization to organization. The main purpose of a technical writer is to write the technical documentation clearly, authentic, so that the reader may not confuse at any cost. So this was all about the skills required for a technical writer. So keep them in mind and stay always blessed. If you people find any problem, you may ask in comment box. Stay always blessed, and Allah Hafiz.